Let me do it. You should be scared.
Oh God, I'm scared.
I'm not gonna give you as much as I had. Oh God.
Oh God.
Do it. You want to laugh, but you can't laugh. Because if you laugh, you're going to choke. You choke, you're going to die. And I know it's going to choke you.
Nah, just playing. I would shove water down your throat. Like,
Okay, eat it.
oh God. Wait, okay. Do I spit out the water?
Yes.
Okay. No, I can't.
This. Okay.
I'm going to go spit. I'll get that.
The smell is scaring me.
I know, right? Let's do it. Do it.
Your hand is shaking.
I'm scared.
It's less than she had.
I know.
I'm still coughing up cinnamon. At least do like one tongue dip. Like, put your tongue to it. Like. Swallow it all. Go, go, go. If I just like poured you right up and see you turned all the water off and you couldn't.
I can smell it.
You're making me cough. I'm still coughing up cinnamon.
Ew, you got it over here. You know what, go pop.
Is that really necessary? Totally irrational. There are necessary precautions. That help.
Paul's gonna wake up and he's gonna come out here. He's gonna see the mess you made. He gonna see the mess you made. He gonna give you a spank.
Bend over dash. It's so weird. Bend over dash.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Luckily for you two, I know the high look maneuver. But you guys don't, so I'm probably gonna die.
I do. Well, I know that it consists of like 7. That usually works for me because I go. I'm super ticked. Why did you use this water? Because it's tank.
It's contaminated with the souls of dirty orphans.
Orphan children near and far don't know where their parents are.
Oh my God.
But their tears are finished. Now we'll drink them at the bar. Ooh, that's just cattywampus. Spit it out here.
It came off my nose.
Are you done?